In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to enable encrypted RCS messaging on iPhone. Let's get started. First, make sure your iPhone is updated to iOS 26.5 or later. Now launch your Settings app. Scroll down, head over to the option Apps. From the list of apps, find Messages and launch it. Now scroll down, here you're gonna find the option of RCS messaging. Toggle on for that. Apple says RCS works only on supported carriers, so if you don't see the option, your carrier may not support it yet. Once enabled, launch your messaging app, open conversation with an Android user who also has the latest version of Google Messages installed. Encrypted RCS chats should automatically, and you may see a small lock icon or encrypted label inside the conversation when encryption is active. Apple confirmed that encrypted RCS messaging is enabled by default in iOS 26.5 for supported devices and carriers. And that's it. This is how you can easily enable encrypted RCS messaging on iPhone. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.